Hello and welcome to the latest video interview. I'm Ben Colclough, with me is George Dimitroff, a Senior Analyst at Ascend. And today we're looking at the Farnborough Airshow. So George, it's day 2 of the Farnborough Airshow. Can you tell us your impressions of the show so far?
Well, it's certainly a little bit more bullish than Paris was last year. In the first 2 days we've already had quite a few orders announced. There was an order from Emirates for 777s, a pretty big order from Steve Hazy's new leasing company, and GCAS placing an order for 100 A320 family aircraft. I guess that's a sign that we've more or less reached the bottom of the market. But what was interesting about the A320 orders is there were practically no A319s in there. It was all 320s and 321s, which seems to indicate a shift change in the market towards larger aircraft at the larger end of the scale. Another thing that was also making the big news was Qatar Airways announcing that it was not going to order the C series, or it's just continuing talks but postponing the order for the time being, because there are some engine issues that in their view remain unresolved. So whilst Boeing and Airbus were being quite bullish, you had Bombardier still using words like tough economic environment, which was a little bit in contrast, I guess, to the other two manufacturers. And the other interesting thing was today Flybe ordered 35 firm Embraers and another 65 options, and another 40 purchase rights on top of that. And what was a little bit interesting to me was that they went for the Embraer 175, which is a smaller aircraft, and you'd wonder how they intend to make it work as a low-cost regional carrier. But obviously they know what they're doing. So it will be interesting to see how many aircraft from within that order is for the 175, or maybe it's just using the smaller aircraft to secure the position and then adding or swapping it to larger types in the future. But that's more or less it for these days.
So seems to be quite a lot happening already. We'll have an update later in the week, so visit our website and find out what's going on. Thank you.
Thank you.